Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 21st April 2022, Thursday. In this video, as usual, we will discuss the Nifty view for tomorrow and if possible have a view for the next few days. Much more interesting and more important is a principle of trading that I want to discuss with you today. That principle is very simple. We follow it every day in this video. The principle is that we must have a view for the market tomorrow. If we enter the market without a view, we are blind. We have no idea what will happen. We start looking at prices. We start saying, okay, now we have to buy, now we have to sell, now we have to get stopped out. And throughout the day, we are following minor price action because we have no concept of what we wanted, what the market was telling us. That's why I always prepare a view for the Nifty for the next day. So many times I am wrong for that view. That doesn't matter. I know if I am wrong, I am not trading or I am going to get on the wrong side of the market and get stopped out very quickly. But I must have a view. It's important to say this today because yesterday we had a view, we had two clear levels, 17,200 and 17,000 itself. Buy above 17,200 and sell below 17,000. I explained why these two levels have emerged. So when the markets opened today, I had a very clear view. If the Nifty goes above 17,200, I am a buyer. As luck would have it, the Nifty opened just marginally above 17,200. I went long and then there was no looking back. The market moved up and ended at 17,400. So essentially the long position was taken somewhere around 17,240 to 250 because the markets stabilized in that area for some time. So there was a 150 point net gain for the day without any disturbance. And the reason this gain came was because I had done my homework the earlier day, looked at the Nifty chart, shared the views with you, shared the patterns with you and said tomorrow this is what we will do. Always remember, I am not telling the market to do this or do that. I am nobody to tell the market. I am only saying that if this happens, I will take this action. So clearly, if this doesn't happen, I don't take any action. It's our analysis and our context and then finally our plan. That's very important. This homework is essential for the next day. So much for the homework part and so much for the planning part. And what's the view tomorrow? After these three very large gains, the gain started from Tuesday afternoon when the Nifty had gone down all the way to 16,850. So from 16,850 the Nifty has had a one-sided rally to 17,400. Now tomorrow could be a very choppy day. It could end up with some small or big gains, but it's not going to be easy. So I don't think I'm going to trade tomorrow. There's one more point quickly. Every day you are not going to make big money or even small money or money at all. Today was an excellent day and in a month we have 2-3 such days like today and that's more than enough for the full month. So there are many days when I don't have to trade. Tomorrow is probably one such day when whatever happens I am very comfortable. I don't have to enter the market. The view still remains bullish but essentially the trading may not be very easy tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Today we won't have any charts, we'll share them because the view is bullish. You can all imagine what the charts are saying. Then we'll meet tomorrow again for a quick review. Like this video, share it, subscribe to it. Please press the bell icon and meet again. Thank you. Jai Hind.